Hello there, my name is Elijah Kelly and I'm here with A2Z Ozone to present our new product, the Ozone Oil Bubbler. It's a really simple build and really easy to work, and it works with a lot of our products. It works with our SP units and our MP units. Specifically right now we're using our MP1. And it works with our Aqua-8 and Aqua-6 models. However, right now we are using a 500 milliliter for the presentation. There are other sizes, including 25, 50, and 100 milliliters. And all of those are going to be on sale. It's just, and the way it works is basically, we have our ozone coming in through our central tube right here, which will pump ozone down this tube right here into the water, which this goes into the vial and bubbles the oil. In this case we're going to use water for the presentation, and then we're going to plug in our ozone destructor, plug it into the other side, and this will prevent any ozone from getting out into our breathing air, which don't breathe in ozone. Okay, so it's really simple. Just slide that right on in there. Plug this. It's gonna be using a SP tubing, which does come included with the purchase. Plug it in to whatever tubing. It should be able to fit both MP and Aqua. This is Aqua tubing, this is MP tubing. Plug the ozone into the center tube, then plug the ozone destructor into this tube. Boom. Then start ozone. Set it up, timer. Make sure your concentration is on the size where you want it. Air first. You can already see it bubbling out, but once when we put in the ozone, now there's ozone pumping in through that tube. This tube going in, bubbling out, no ozone on the end. There we go. Real easy setup. Turn it off, and that's all. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other products, just hit up at info at A2Z Ozone, and also our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter profiles. Thank you guys and have a nice day.